Hey Legends! If you got friends on other platforms and want to squad up in Apex, I've got you covered. In today's guide, I'll show you how to add crossplay friends. Let's get into it. First, let's go to the Friends button here on the bottom right corner of the screen. Next, you click on Find Friend and search for your friends by their EA ID or platform username. Once you find your desired friend, you just left click on their names and it will send a friend request to them. Yeah. They'll get a notification, and once they accept, you're ready to play together across platforms. Now, if you want to be searched by not your EA ID but by their different platform usernames, you can set that up in your EA account. You can do that by logging in to your EA account on ea.com and going to My Accounts. And if you scroll down to the settings and privacy settings, go to the section called Allow Users to Search for Me by. So if you want others to look for you through your platform usernames, so you could just select which one you want to be searched by. So you could select Steam or Xbox or PSN or even Nintendo if you want that. Then click on Update, and once you do that, your friends can search you up by your names on these other platforms. And that's it, Legends. You can now squad up with friends across any platform. If this helped, smash that like button. Catch you in the game.